Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY video. Today I'm doing Glam fall pumpkins, and I did not end up using those rhinestones there or that can of spray paint, but those are certainly great options for your project. These pumpkins came from both the 99-cent store and the Dollar Tree. I already had those two pumpkins there in the middle. I got those from the 99-cent store. I've had them for years and I thought that they needed an upgrade, so I'm gonna glam them up. But I did not end up using those little mini pumpkins there on the left. I'm gonna save those for something else. This pumpkin here is from the Dollar Tree and it is styrofoam, and it took about 2 coats of black paint before the orange stopped peeking through. Once I was done painting it, I used the remaining black paint, mixed it with some white to make a shade of gray. These pumpkins had some straw detail in the middle that I didn't want to keep, so I'm cutting that out. But I am leaving the leaves, and there's a wire that's supposed to look like the curly part of the vine. So I'm leaving those because I like the way they look. I'm sprinkling on some glitter while the paint is still wet. And I've decided to go with an all-white pumpkin. The texture of this pumpkin though is really smooth and kind of got a metallic-like finish. So it took me about 3 coats of the paint to cover these. I don't like the stem of this black pumpkin, so I'm taking it out. I'm going to use another option that I'll show you later. Now here, my black paint had already dried, so I'm painting on some Podge, which is like a glue for crafting, and it does dry clear, so you won't see all that white once it's dry, but it does hold the glitter really well. Now, so that your glitter doesn't fall out all over the place, spray some hairspray or some spray adhesive. Mod Podge also makes a spray that you can use. And here is the idea that I have for the stem for my big black pumpkin. These are from Home Goods. I already had some of these crystal knobs from when I ordered them to put on my dresser, but they didn't fit. So I knew I would end up using them for projects later on, and this was perfect. As soon as I saw those pumpkins at Home Goods, I knew that I had to make one, at least one, of my own. I'm just adding a little bit of E6000 glue so that it adheres and doesn't move around or fall out. And here's the finished project. I decided to use a few on a little tray as a centerpiece for my dining room table. And I really love how they sparkle in the light, and the fact that they look like you could have bought them in a store. That large beaded pumpkin there is from Home Goods. I showed it to you in one of my other videos a couple weeks ago in a haul, and I think they look really good. My DIY project pumpkins look really good with it. Thank you for stopping by and watching another video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and take care.